There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword try. Welcome, Python programmers and enthusiasts. In today's episode, we are diving into a crucial aspect of Python programming that safeguards your code from crashing unexpectedly: the try statement. Let's explore how try can be used to catch and handle exceptions, enhancing the reliability and robustness of your Python applications. The try statement in Python marks the beginning of a block of code that will be attempted to execute. It's paired with except blocks to catch and handle exceptions that may arise during the execution of the try block, preventing errors from terminating your program abruptly. Why try? In any complex application, there's always a possibility that operations may not go as planned due to unpredictable inputs, external resources, or logical errors. The try statement allows you to anticipate and gracefully manage these scenarios, ensuring your program can continue running or fail safely. The try statement is invaluable in situations where you expect that an operation may raise an exception. Whether it's reading a file that might not exist, making network requests that could fail, or dealing with user input that may cause errors, try empowers you to handle these uncertainties with confidence. Let's walk through a simple example to illustrate the use of try. In this snippet, we use a try block to attempt to open and read a file. The except block catches the specific file not found error exception, providing a user-friendly message instead of allowing the program to crash. This demonstrates how try and except work together to handle potential errors gracefully. And that's the try statement, a foundational tool for writing resilient Python code. By effectively using try, you ensure that your applications are prepared to handle the unexpected, maintaining smooth operation under various conditions. Elevate your Python error handling skills with us. For more programming insights and tips, make sure to subscribe.